Do you want to be a live streamer?
To be honest, no, not really. I don't like to talk in front of lots of people. It would be challenging for me. I'm not into talking to many people. I would be quite shaken. I think it's not my thing.
It's tough when it's not your thing when you need it, because it's tough to get involved in something when you're not interested in it, but you still need it for your life. Like it's a life skill.
Yeah, absolutely. But I can't imagine myself to be a live streamer. I think it's good, but it's need some skills as well. You have to be good communicator, just like you. I think you absolutely has the skill to communicate with people.
How old are you?
I'm 23.
عادش بداية المشوار.
Well, no, I don't think so because I've seen many people who younger than me and just did many things or achieved many things in their life. I think I'm lazy bones or couch potato.
Old people say that to me.
Old people?
Yeah, they tell me you're just starting your journey.
Yeah. I think you told me a good thing last time. Persistent to keep going. So I think it doesn't matter how old are you, but all the matter is just my mind go blank. Keep
Persistence
going.
is important. I think the word you're looking for is consistency, like doing it every day.
Absolutely. Keep going. No matter you are in your 13s or 14s or 15s, all the matter is consistency.